tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down.
Alright, we got a package from Steve Meade. Got the best customer service that you can get and the best packing as well. Let's see how it is. Let me see. He had fixed me up. I had an issue with my merchandise that it was something I did. It wasn't nothing he did or nothing like that. But y'all see how well packaged that is right there. Yeah, I couldn't have packaged that with myself, but he's a professional, so I'm gonna leave a link down below. Of course, I can't show y'all this. I'm gonna cut the video in a minute, and we're gonna get back. Hold on. Let's see. There we go. There's another one. All right. Yeah, that packaged up good. I ain't gonna lie, the way UPS, man, I was just for sure they were gonna break it. Y'all know I'll leave y'all the links down below. Yeah, I'm about sure everything good. I'm gonna put it back in here for right now and I'll be right back. All right, we got it open. Of course, we got the plastic on it. So it's packaged up real well. Now, I know some people, certain product y'all may not run because of the price, but I don't really look at the price sometimes. I mean, I look at the price all the time, but I don't really look at the price as far as when I'm I go off of customer service, you know what I'm saying? And if they stand behind their product, you know, like if I feel like I'm gonna have to go through the hurdles and getting customer service, I don't usually mess with it. Or, you know, my experience with certain people may not be the same as y'all or whatnot, but you know, everybody's might be a different situation. But sometimes, most of the time, everybody's gonna get the same customer service. But from my point of view, you know, when I'm dealing with somebody and I get like excellent customer service, like if I have an issue with the product, or maybe if it's on me, like I'm honest, like if I mess something up with the product, I'm gonna tell you straight up, you know, I messed up, you know, I did this to the product. I'm not gonna act like the product just failed. Now if the product just failed, I'm gonna be honest about it, you know, and to let them know what happened and how I got it ran and what's going on. I'm gonna let them know the full detail. I'm not gonna leave nothing out, because sometimes people leave stuff out and to make it sound like the product just failed. And that I don't, you know, don't do that. You know, you tell the whole story that way. People will feel more comfortable dealing with you, and they'll understand where you're coming from. They'll be more willing to help you because you were straight up with them. But I like good customer service, and like this product, this piece here is I don't know, but I'm gonna leave it. I can't give y'all the exact price. It's $3 something, I believe, but it may be a little different. But I'm gonna leave a link down below for y'all can pick these up, and I'm gonna leave y'all a discount code. Y'all can get every piece I got right here. Of course, y'all know I had this in there for the last season, but I got another one. I'm gonna order something a little bit different, and I'm gonna show y'all that as well. So I'm gonna leave the links down below for y'all to get this. But back to what I was saying, I like to deal with people who got good customer service. Like, it might be a little bit expensive. I go with the quality of the work, you know, they put into it. I don't know what work they put into it completely, because I'm not there making it, and I don't know the process. And most of the time it's a learning thing. You know, you're paying for what they know how to do and what they learning, and you know, you gotta fail to get good at stuff most of the time. So, you know, that he probably messed up a bunch of these before he got this thing perfected like he got it. So he might, you know, he put time and money and everything into this. But like somebody, you know, somebody might make a purchase based off of what somebody else said or whatever, which is cool. You know, I understand it. But like if I hit him up, you know, and I say I got an issue with something, he's straightforward. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna have to go through, you know, hurdles and stuff like that. And they just do you right. You know what I'm saying? And it's certain subwoofers, like companies like that, I mean, I hadn't ran nothing but Sundown, so PRV and stuff like that. So I hadn't really ran much other than that. So I know with those guys, I've had direct dealings with them. So it's like, I know what I'm getting in my customer service. So it's like, I know people there directly to get me some customer service. So if I have an issue, I can shoot an email over there or call somebody. I can say, hey, I got an issue with this and that, and they like I said, if I did it, I'm gonna tell you. But it's like, it's straightforward, so that make your purchase off of the customer service, not just the product, how cheap it is and stuff like that. Imagine like buying a vehicle. When you buy a vehicle, don't buy it just off the how good it looks. It's just a nice looking car. Don't buy it like that. Do your research and make sure the company it's got a good warranty. They're gonna stand behind the motor. Do the motor hold up? It was well built. If you have to go to the dealership, are they gonna help you as far as the company got a good warranty through the manufacturer directly? The what they call it, the recalls, they cover these type of things. But what I'm saying, long story short, is just to sum this up, go with a company when you buy certain stuff, they gonna stand behind and you ain't gotta argue with them, and all of that. So don't always look at the price. When I buy my subwoofer, if I can't recon it, I don't really want to buy it. I want to buy stuff I can recon. Even my door speakers, if I can't recon it, I don't want to do it, because I don't want to constantly keep buying speakers over and over. I want to be able to recon it, fix it, or the company, they do it, I can send it back to them, they'll do it, and I have to pay a little money if I have to do that. Make your purchase based off of that, you know what I'm saying? People standing behind the product. Don't just buy it because somebody told you to buy it, or it looks cool, or whatever the deal is. I mean, if that's what you want to do, that's what you do. But this product right here, it's a nice looking product, and they stand behind what they do over there, and I know for a fact, if y'all watch his video, he over there hands on, he in there working in the back, actually making this stuff himself, him and his family, and whatnot they putting their hands on this stuff. So I know for a fact it ain't like, it was like a mass produced thing, which ain't nothing wrong with mass produced product, but for a fact they putting their hands on every piece go up out of there. So be sure to like, subscribe, share the video. I'm gonna leave the link down below. They got some smaller ones, you don't have to get this big one. Of course, it's like a little distribution block right here. It's nice. You can get it in different colors and stuff, and whatnot. So that's another little option. So I'm gonna leave the links down below for y'all to pick this stuff up. Like I say, there's a bunch of options you can choose from. I'm gonna be sure to use the codes down in the links, guys. All the links, and it's one referral code there. They don't give a discount, but just use it anyway. That way, they'll know I sent you over there. If you really mess with the channel, you really like the channel, you support the channel like that, just use their referral code. But all the discount codes are down there in the link below. Of course, y'all know y'all can go to cardioconnect.com, find every brand you're looking for. All the discount codes are right there on the top. As soon as you go to the website, it's right there on the top. You can't miss it. Even like on there, I make sure it's updated to, like, if we add some new, like a new code to it or a new company, it'll be right there. Like if somebody come off of there, it won't be there. But it'll just be there. If it's available, it's there for you to use. So take advantage of the discounts you can get using the code BASSWITHKEV. I'm gonna make sure I keep everybody who subscribes to the channel or watching the channel in the loop on the discounts. If I'm able to give a discount, I want to give it. So y'all be sure to use the codes over there at cardioconnect.com or down there in the links below. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. I'm gonna see y'all back on the next one.
Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down.